The anticipation builds as we prepare to dive into our next project. But before we take the plunge, it's crucial to lay down a solid plan, a roadmap that will guide us through the journey ahead. Think of a plan as a blueprint for success, outlining what we want to achieve and how we'll get there. To kick off the planning process, start by grabbing a piece of paper and jotting down your ideas. This brainstorming session helps organize your thoughts and gives structure to your goals. Write down everything that comes to mind, from objectives to potential strategies. During the planning phase, seek advice from experts or individuals passionate about your project. They can provide valuable insights, point out potential challenges, and offer creative solutions. Collaborating with others enriches your planning process and brings diverse perspectives to the table. Pay close attention to details while crafting your plan. Small oversights or mistakes can snowball into larger problems later on. By addressing potential issues early, you can mitigate risks and ensure smoother progress towards your goals. Your plan doesn't need to be overly complex. Keep it concise and clear, focusing on key objectives, strategies, and timelines. This roadmap serves as a compass, keeping you on track and accountable for achieving your milestones. Embrace collaboration throughout the planning process. Involve team members or stakeholders to harness collective creativity and problem-solving skills. Working together fosters a sense of ownership and commitment towards shared goals. Flexibility is essential in any plan. Be open to adjustments and refinements as circumstances evolve. Adaptability allows you to navigate challenges effectively and stay responsive to changing needs. When it comes to effective planning, one crucial aspect is identifying potential pitfalls or areas of weakness in your strategy. It's essential to pay close attention to details and anticipate where things might go wrong. By focusing on these potential pitfalls, you can proactively address them and prevent them from derailing your progress. This involves a careful analysis of your plan, looking for any loopholes or areas that could be improved. One effective approach is to seek feedback from others, especially those with experience or expertise in your field. They can offer valuable insights and point out blind spots that you may have overlooked. Keeping your plan confidential and sharing it only with yourself or a select few close individuals is often important for several reasons. First and foremost, maintaining secrecy helps protect your ideas and strategies from being prematurely exposed to competitors or unauthorized parties. In today's competitive landscape, innovative ideas can be easily replicated or exploited if disclosed too early. By keeping your plan confidential, you retain control over when and how you reveal your strategy, allowing you to execute it with greater security and confidence. Secondly, sharing your plan selectively with trusted individuals can provide valuable feedback and support without risking widespread exposure. Trusted advisors or confidants can offer constructive criticism, alternative perspectives, and practical insights that can enhance the quality and feasibility of your plan. This limited sharing ensures that you benefit from external input without compromising the integrity or confidentiality of your strategy. Moreover, keeping your plan under wraps fosters a sense of ownership and accountability. When only a few individuals are privy to your vision, you are more likely to feel personally invested in its success. This sense of ownership can drive motivation and commitment, encouraging you to take proactive steps towards implementing and refining your plan. In conclusion, maintaining confidentiality around your plan is essential for safeguarding your ideas, receiving valuable feedback from trusted sources, and fostering a strong sense of ownership and accountability. By exercising discretion in sharing your strategy, you can optimize its potential for success while minimizing the risks associated with premature exposure. This deliberate approach empowers you to execute your plan with confidence and resilience in pursuit of your goals. Planning is a powerful tool that should never be underestimated. It allows us to chart a course towards our goals, breaking down complex objectives into manageable steps. When we take the time to plan, we gain clarity and direction, which are essential for making progress and achieving success. Planning helps us anticipate challenges, identify resources needed, and allocate time effectively. It empowers us to set realistic timelines and milestones, guiding our actions with purpose and intention. Moreover, planning instills confidence and reduces uncertainty. It gives us a roadmap to follow, boosting our motivation and commitment. With a well-thought-out plan in place, we can approach tasks systematically, making informed decisions along the way. Planning also enhances problem-solving skills as it encourages us to think ahead and consider various scenarios. Ultimately, the power of planning lies in its ability to turn aspirations into actionable strategies, transforming dreams into tangible outcomes. By recognizing and harnessing the potential of planning, we unlock new possibilities and pave the way for meaningful achievements. Hope you all have understood the assignment. Yes, guys, do subscribe towards the channel for more like this. We are improving 1% every time. Thank you.